Google Nest Thermostat, Smart Thermostat for Home, Programmable Wi-Fi Thermostat, Charcoal. Energy Star certified smart thermostat for home that helps you save energy and stay comfortable. The Nest Thermostat is designed to work without a C-wire in most homes, but for some systems, including heating only, cooling only, zone-controlled, and heat pump systems, you'll need a C-wire or other compatible power accessory. Power options: hardwired. Nest Thermostat turns itself down when you leave, so you don't waste energy heating or cooling an empty home. Programmable thermostat that lets you create an energy-efficient schedule in the Google Home app on your Android or iPhone. Remote control lets family members change the thermostat temperature from anywhere on a phone, laptop, or tablet. Savings Finder looks for more ways your thermostat can help you save and suggests tweaks to your schedule in the app. Check with your energy provider to learn more about rebates and more ways to save on a Nest thermostat. Smart thermostat with HVAC monitoring, which looks out for your heating and cooling systems, sends an alert if something doesn't seem right, along with helpful reminders to make maintenance easier too. It's easy to install your thermostat, typically in 30 minutes or less, with everything you need included in the box. It's compatible with 85% of heating and cooling systems. Control the temperature with your voice using smart home devices that work with Google Assistant or Alexa 3. Please refer to the product description section below for all applicable legal disclaimers denoted by the bracketed numbers in the preceding bullet points, e.g., 1, 2, etc. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.